Oh, well, okay. We have one, so make sure your numbers are visible before we, there you go, okay. Dancer number 310, 310, 310. Dancer number 345, 345. Dancer number 397, 397. This is dancer number 393, 393. And finally we have dancer number 422, 422. All right, judges are ready. Dancers ready. Drummers, out of the mind. In the advanced Bahine 20 to 24, ladies, you can relax. Make sure your numbers are visible to the judges before you leave here the floor. All right, Maru, you can now leave. Please step towards me before you do, and make your way back to the backstage area. Maru. All right, let's pick out our next dancer group. Good one. Okay, yeah.